It makes it easier when you have a plan to follow, doesn't it? It's not second guessing things all the time, and you know that what you're doing is going to help you achieve your goals, and you can tweak it and finesse it as you go. But sometimes it just takes all of that overwhelm and confusion out of all the things that you could be doing for triathlon when you actually do have a plan, both training and nutrition to follow along with.
So the Triathlon Nutrition Academy, you teach us how to identify the amount of carbs you should be taking in during the run or the ride, and how to do sweat testing so you know how much water and whether it's sodium or other electrolytes you need to take in while you're running or riding. And so one of the things that's really nice about the program is that you have an idea of what you're supposed to be eating and drinking. And so then you get to practice it while you're out there riding and dial it in, make sure that it is right for you and it's customized for you. And so it just gives you this feeling of, being successful. That's really wonderful.